Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to transfer money from PayPal to Binance, so let's start. Well, first, their method number one is go to Binance. In my case, I'm here on Binance account, as you can see. So if you want to transfer money from PayPal to Binance, what you can do is go to buy crypto. Then when you click here, you will have this window, so you can enter here the amount on USD if you want. In this case, let's try with $18. So here will appear how much you will receive from USDT. So in my case, my account on Binance is not verified because this is a tester account. So in my case, I don't have verified yet. But in your case, if your account is verified, you can click here on buy it. And when you buy it, appears the option not in all the accounts, but in some of them appears the option pay with PayPal or buy with PayPal. So you can click there and use PayPal, so you can transfer PayPal from Binance. But in case that this doesn't appear, you can go to this new option that says Paxful. Paxful will help you to transfer also from PayPal to Binance. So here you can try it and see how it works. So for example, I want to buy Bitcoin, USDT. How much? Let's try with 18. And here on all payment methods, you can try, for example, with bank transfer. So you can select bank transfer, all bank transfer, and then you can find the offer here and appear all the offers that give you a Paxful to buy it. So you can check here if there is verified and if you can use PayPal. So there are two options to do it. In case that here doesn't appear the option from buy with PayPal, you can try with Paxful. So guys, I hope this information helps you. If there is works for you, don't forget to give thumb up to this video and subscribe to our channel.